Hello, this is Mr. Lorline with your weekly roundup for Literature 7. This week we are going to be reading a chapter a day, and we'll begin with chapter 6. And of course, before we get into that, we're going to review what theme is. We began talking about theme last week. After that, we're going to be reading chapter 7, 8 on Wednesday, and then we'll have a little quizzes to kind of, again, hit on that standard of theme. On Thursday, we're going to pick up a PowerPoint and talk about the story elements and how they affect each other. So how does the plot affect characters affect plot. And then we're going to be reading chapter 9, chapter 10 on Friday. And then we're going to have a little fun activity where students are going to draw the City of Lights in their own mind on their Chromebooks, and then we'll share that together on the Promethean board. So that's your weekly roundup for Literature 7 for this week from September 21st until September 25th.